Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This is Aisha Qureshi, and welcome to my channel Immersive English. Before we get into the video, please like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my videos. Let's explore adverbs today, a very important parts of speech. If you become proficient in using adverbs skillfully in your speech or in written task, you would surely impress your audience or readers. So let's get started. Let's comprehend what adverbs are. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Let me share an example with you. He drives carefully. Carefully is an adverb explaining someone's driving skills. I explain again that carefully is an adverb. Let's discuss what actually adverbs do. They beautify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. For example, she wrote neatly. It tells in which manner she presented her work. They help a reader see an action in their minds. I hope you understand what generally adverbs are. Now, it's time to explore kinds of adverbs and their uses. Let's get started. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell us how something was carried out. Most of adverbs of manner end in ly. Let me share an example with you. She served the dinner happily. Happily is an adverb of manner. Adverbs of frequency. They explain how often the action occurs. Remember, they appear right before the main verb. For example, she always welcomes her guests with a smile. I usually visit my grandma on Sunday. Adverbs of degree describe more about the intensity of the verb. They are placed before the word they modify. Example, I'm so excited to go to Disneyland. So is the adverb of degree. And there are other examples in front of you. Adverbs of place tell us exactly where the action took place. They appear after the main verb. Let's take a look at this sentence. They are sitting outside. The word outside is an adverb of place which expresses the place of the occurrence. Adverbs of time state the time of action taking place in a sentence. Let me share an example with you. I visited her yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb of time which is giving an idea about the time of occurrence of an action. Let me suggest a few adverbs to impress your readers. Instead of using sweetly, you could say pleasantly or delightfully. Instead of saying angrily, use violently, fiercely, or furiously. Badly is a very general term. You should use specific adverbs such as awkwardly, incompetently, negligently, or abominably. You can replace excitedly by passionately, eagerly, or there are many more. Dear viewers, I hope you comprehended the concept well. I have tried my level best to keep the definitions and examples simple and easy. Adverbs are extensive and significant parts of speech. If you use them effectively as per requirement, then your text would be influential and impressive. Dear audience, I always say keep practicing, keep working hard. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.